The industrial drives acs3-208 30-01-209, also branded with the Kollmorgen name, is a DC brushless servo motor control. This servo motor controller came in for repair completely dead and required a full rebuild, along with extensive repair on the output stage. After this motor control was rebuilt, we hooked it up, and as shown in the video, we were able to get the motor control to respond as we expected. We did not have the specific motor needed for this driver, so we used a linear light load to simulate a load, and the lights clearly show commutation as we change the feedback position. At ERD we have hundreds of motors, but many require such specific types we can only simulate with a linear load, such as a 3-phase light load. This simulates some of the characteristics of the motor, and allows us to validate the motor control will fire and handle a load.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.